This is a microwave magnetron, and I'll show you how you can test it. Using your multimeter, set it to continuity mode, and then this is the terminal of the magnetron. There should be continuity between the two terminals. You can see this is good, but there should be no continuity between the terminal and the body. Can you see there is a reading? This shows this magnetron is faulty. See, there's a reading between the terminal and the body, even though it's not beeping as it's beeping now, but there is slight connection between the terminal and the body. That's why it's having a reading. Okay, so this magnetron here is not good.